Welcome to the news in brief. In the headlines, health facilities across the country to be digitalized. Government recruits over 54,000 healthcare workers and Accra Psychiatric Hospital to be rebuilt. The Ministry of Health is to roll out a national electronic medical record center for the health sector following a successful piloting in 28 health facilities in the central region. The computerization of the entire operations of health facilities in the country will help to do away with physical folders from the outpatient department in various health centers. The Minister of Health, Mr. Menu, made this known when he took his turn at the Meet the Press series organized by the Ministry of Information in Accra Thursday.
We are aiming at digitizing the health sector, and the ministry is developing a national data center electronic medical records for the health sector. What we want to do is that we are taking computers across the entire operations of all our facilities in the country. So when you get to the OPD, you'll be registered on the system, and wherever you move within the hospital, you will carry no folder. So your folders will be sitting on the gadgets that the doctors and the nurses and everybody will have. So from when you are registered, they won't give you a card to enter the consulting room. You go and meet a doctor there with an iPad or a laptop or desktop, and then he will open a folder for you. And that folder becomes your folder for the rest of your life in all facilities when you're able to complete this process.
The Health Minister also announced that over 54,000 healthcare workers have been recruited as part of government's plan to improve healthcare delivery in the country. The number, according to him, includes those who have been awaiting employment since 2012 from both private and public training institutions.
Since 2017, government has provided financial clearance for 54,892. So by close of this year, on our account, we will have employed 54,892,000 health professionals, including some service professionals who might not necessarily be health workers, who support health service delivery like accountants, administrators, and all that.
Plans are underway to rebuild the Accra Psychiatric Hospital to a 100-bed facility. The chief psychiatrist, Dr. Akwesi Osei, who made this known, said the facility, when completed, will include apartments for hospital staff. The facility currently about 1,200 inmates, although it was originally built for 600 inmates.
As we speak now, discussions are going on and far advanced to rebuild Accra Psychiatric Hospital. As soon as the discussions are finished, we will soon get architectural designs. It will be built from the current 600 capacity, which is even overstretched to about 1,002, to just a 100-bed facility with apartments for staff. So the discussions are underway.
A group calling itself the Concerned Mothers Association of Ghana has criticized the Director General of Criminal Investigations Department of the Ghana Police Service, COP Mamiya Tiwa Adodankwa, for claiming she knows the location of the 3 kidnapped girls in Takoradi in the Western region. The group wants the CID boss to retract her comments and apologize to all Ghanaians.
We really don't think that what she said was very good. It is very disappointing and disheartening for a whole CID boss, a woman like your caliber, giving such a post to come back to say that their family. 3 days ago, you visited them. My sister, come and see how the family were weeping. And so you see that she's not capable of being the CID boss. And so she should lay down her things and give it to a competent person to handle it.
Industrial fishing vessels are to observe a 1-month closed season in August this year. This is to help replenish Ghana's declining fish stocks. According to the Chief Director of the Ministry of Fisheries and Aquaculture Development, Professor F.K.E. Nunu, all stakeholders in the industrial fishing sector have agreed on the proposed dates. He also commended players in the artisanal industry for complying with the closed season, which began on Wednesday, May 15. For more news, visit graphic.com.gh and follow us on Facebook at Daily Graphic Ghana. My name is Julius Echansafo. Thank you for watching.